Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is kind of a sponsored video. I did a video last May and I'll put the card of it up in the corner here so you can check it out. But it was a plant holder, 2x4, 2x6 construction of a front porch plant hanger.
Scratched.
Is hosting the Maker's Rock collab.
This is all the wood you're going to need to make this build. It's very simple. You have a 1x6 by 29 inches long. You have a 2x6, 31 inches long. 2x4, 24 inches long times 2. 2x4, 32 inches long times 2. And an insert which would be 24 inches long by however tall you want it to be, which I have mine right at 6.5 inches. I don't want to show you that again because I've done the build video on that, but what I do want to do is talk to you about the care of it and things you could do to upgrade it or change it out during the holidays. I'll leave some affiliate links down below of the product as well and all the tools that was used within the build of the video back in May, so you can get an idea of what I used and where you can go to pick this product up. You don't want to watch the same thing twice. So with that, let's get started. I want to stop right there and tell you just a little bit about patterns when it comes to outlines and spiral blades. In this instant here, it's a mountain range. So if you get a little bit offline, let me give you an example. Take this off. So if you get a little bit offline, you're not going to really be able to tell it when it comes to this. This black here that should have been cut, can you really tell that it's not cut once you take the pattern off? It's still going to look like a mountain range. So don't get so caught up in trying to get it so perfect. It's going to look perfect once you're done anyway. So when it comes to rugged edges like that, it's okay to be offline a little bit. So that's why I cut it a little bit faster than I normally would. I will go a little bit slower when it comes to the lettering. Also, I wanted you to know I'm using a Pegasus blade number 2/0 spiral blade. So that way it can cut in all directions because the piece is so long, 24 inches, the depth of my cut's only 20. So it's easier to go side to side with the spiral blade than it is to try to turn and twist. This makes it easier for me. I still get a lot of questions about the lifter arm. Hector invented this here, and I believe you can still get this through bearwood.com. I'll leave the link to that down below, but this is a great little lifter arm for your DeWalt 788, and it fits other scroll saws as well. But check out Hector over at bearwood.com. And I owe you an explanation too on the Pegasus chuck. The chuck is doing really good. I hadn't had any slippages. It actually is helping with the rattle. There's no more vibration that has come from where we replaced the chuck from the original. So I'm really impressed with the Pegasus chuck. So that can also be found over at bearwood.com. Another happy little tree right over here. Now that we've got the Danish teak sealer on there and it's dried overnight, I'm going to try out this Rub and Clear glossy varnish to give it a nice coat. It's fast drying, you can recoat within an hour, and no sanding in between the coats. So we're going to try this out and see how it looks. Easy to pour spouts. Now with the magnet that's in there, you want to change this out to any season, holiday, whatever you'd like, you can. Just simply pull it out. Whatever you replace it with, just make sure it has the little tin strip on the back for your magnet. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was informative to give you some ideas of things you could do to upgrade your plant hanger that you made. All different kind of ways that you could do that through different seasons and different holidays. And also thank you to Total Boat for sending out the product to try. It's really great stuff, and I think it's going to make it hold up a really long time. So thank you for that, Total Boat. And again, I'll leave the links down below for all the information you need to get the product. Thanks for watching, and always remember, be kind to one another.